Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to record your screen on Windows 11. Windows 11 includes a built-in screen recorder known as Snipping Tool. If you don't see the Snipping Tool on your taskbar, simply search it in the Windows search bar. You can also add it to your taskbar by right-clicking and selecting Pin to Taskbar. Once you have located the snipping tool, open it to begin recording your screen. To start recording, click on the camera button and then select New Recording. Use your mouse to drag and select the area of the screen you want to record. Ensure that the microphone is enabled so that any audio you speak is recorded along with the screen. Press the Start button and you will see a 3-second countdown before the recording begins. When you are finished recording, click on the Stop Recording button at the top. You can then play back the recording by pressing the play button. Save it by clicking on the Save button. Choose the location where you want to save your recorded file. And that's it. That's how you can record your screen on Windows 11. Thank you for your time.